That screw broke. And this whole bastard flew off. So now I gotta go find another bolt for right there before we proceed. Always something. Always fucking something. Apparently if you drill in a little bit with that, pound a little bit with this, pull a little bit with that, that little bastard comes right out. Oh good, I was hoping it was going to start raining. We're robbing that doohickey off this thingamajigger. In you go. A knot for you. Or is that a bolt?
No.
A knot for you. I can edit that out.